Hello folks, we are back again with a new video. Today we bring to you a short and a sweet review of the Mivi Duopods M20. Also check out our very own app, the Radness Tech app. This app keeps you updated with the latest tech in few minutes and lets you win some exciting giveaways. We bring fresh new content every week, so subscribe to our channel, turn on the post notifications icon so that you will be notified whenever a new rad video drops in. Recently, we came across a new product by India's very own company, Mivi. It isn't perfect, but considering the price range and some little interesting features, we think it's a good buy for people who have a decent pair of earbuds on a budget. To help you guys out, let's take a short look at some of the features that we liked and disliked here at Radness. We tried various OS and there is a significant difference between the sound quality in various OS. For example, it sounded different with Android and different with iOS. The range is not that bad, but it definitely short as compared to other earbuds. The build quality is okay, although we like the fact that it's pretty comfortable and lightweight. Let's address the elephant in the room, the battery life. It's pretty good actually, with a battery life of 6 hours on a single charge and in-case charging capacity of 16 to 18 hours. Not bad, we would say. The indicator is placed inside and there is a 4-dot charging indicator, so we will have to reopen the case plenty of times to check the charging status. The magnet to shut the case is pretty strong and keeps your earbuds safe from falling off. Portability is good as it is quite small in size, which makes it fit in your pocket comfortably and hence easier to travel. There is a capacitive touch button on the earbud, but you can only use it to play, pause and take reject calls. Unfortunately, you cannot shuffle songs with it. The earbuds are not too big and are designed in a way that makes it easy to travel or work out with. Apart from all of this, if not connected to the Bluetooth, the earbuds gets shut down, but that's not it. You need to put it back in the charging case and remove it again for the earbuds to reconnect again. That part we felt was a little annoying. We like the design, especially considering the price range, and the logo is quite attractive as well. The earbuds are sweat proof, which makes it good for a workout. The audio quality is good, if not the best. To sum it up, we can say that you can use it for binge watching, web series, movies, as the vocal is pretty good on this. Also, it's quite comfy and lightweight, so it doesn't hurt your ears much if at 79% loudness for 5 to 6 hours. If you are a music lover, then these headphones might disappoint you with the treble and the bass. Also, we can't complain much for the fact that this TWS we got at Rs. 799, although if it's around 1K, there are better options out there. Overall, even though the device is pretty decent, we would recommend you all to buy it while the sale is going on. But the rest is up to you. That's all for the video, guys. I hope you had fun watching it. If you did, make sure you smash the like button and share the video as much as you can. Comment on your thoughts on what you feel about this review and if we left any feature. Until then, wear your mask, get vaccinated as soon as possible and eat healthy. This is Ayush signing off. Stay safe and stay rad.